Welcome to the mathematics classes. Today I have come here with some interesting tricks for you and how to solve this type of the questions within 3 seconds and these tricks, and I am going to discuss that about tricks, and these tricks help you to solve the question, this type of question very quickly within the 3 seconds in the examination like IIT and the NDAs. So let's have a look and how I can find out the value uh, within a 2 second, 3 second, and after knowing you can also find out these values. Okay, so let's have a look. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to 2 and sin theta equal to what? We can write the 3 by 5. Okay, so we can write the value of the 5 by 12. How it is possible and how did I solve this question within the 1 second, 2 second and 3 seconds. So let's have a look. There is no magic, there is a trick I'm going to discuss for you, and these tricks help you in the examination like NDA and IIT. So I have also uploaded the one video part 1 for the trigo, and this is the second type of the trigo and how to solve the question within a 2 second, 3 second and 1 second. Okay, so first of all, sin theta equal to 3 by 5, and this trick I have taken from the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if you are having sec theta plus secant theta plus tan theta equal to what? Sec theta plus tan theta equal to 2, then uh, we can make the tricks from the Pythagoras theorem. If the theta represents this angle, then the side, sorry, it is not 2, it is x. It may be 2, 3 and 4, any numbers. So and if secant theta plus tan theta equal to x, and this theta represents this angle, then we can write the base equal to twice of x, and the perpendicular is the x square minus 1 and the hypotenuse x square plus 1. Okay, so secant theta plus tan theta equal to x, then and we can make the tricks with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. So and this theta represents this angle, and then after we can uh, write the base 2x, and we can use the perpendicular x square minus 1, and we can find the hypotenuse from the x square plus 1. And what is the x? This x, I am talking about this x. Okay, so let's have a look how it is possible. How can we find out, how can I find out the value? I can find out, and after knowing these tricks you can also find out the values. Okay, so let's have a look. Sin theta equal to, as we know that sin theta equal to some people have, so we can write sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the perpendicular? X square minus 1. Then after we can write what? X, and what is the x here? 2, and then after we can write the 2 square minus 1 and divided by what is the hypotenuse? X square plus 1, and what is the value of x? 2 square plus 1. Then after 4 minus 1 3 and 4 plus 1 5. So if you know this trick, and you can solve this question within the 3 seconds like me. Okay, so I am going to move to the second question. If you are having the cot theta plus cosec theta equal to 5, then what is the value of tan theta? And we write the value of 5 by 12. Then after cot theta plus cosec theta equal to x, then what is the value? And this trick also I have taken from the Pythagoras theorem. If the theta represents this angle, then we can write the twice of x is the perpendicular, and x square minus 1 is the base, and x square plus 1 is the what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so cot theta plus cosec theta equal to 5. Then after we can find the value of the tan theta. So with the I don't know the answer. So how it is possible? You can also find out the answer. And we know that tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, very good. And tan theta equal to, we can write, what is the perpendicular here? Twice of x. What is the value of 5? 5 into 10. And what is the value? 5 square minus 1. So 10 by 25 minus 1, 24, and we can write 2 5s are 10 and 2 12s are 14. So okay, got it. So pause the video and note it down. So I am going to make the I am going to solve the some more questions. Second one, I have solved the two question earlier, and I am going to solve the some uh, more question related to this tricks. So next question is the cosec a plus cot a equal to 11 by 2. So how it is, this form belongs to the this. So it is based on the Pythagoras. So angle A represent this. Then after what is the value of x here? So 11 by 2. And what is the perpendicular? 2 into x. So you can write the 11. And second one is the x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 means 11 by 2 whole square. Means we can write the 121. 121 11 by 2 square minus 1 equal to, we can write 11 square equal to 121, and divided by 2 square means 4 minus 1, and after taking the LCM we got the 4, and we can write 117. Okay, so what is the value of the base here? 117 by 4. And next when we this next one is the x square plus 1, and we can write the what, 11 by 2 121 plus divided by 4 plus 1 means 125 by 4. Got it? And because the hypotenuse is the x square plus 1, so 11 by 2 square plus 1, so 11 square 121 2 square divided by 4 and plus 1. So after taking the LCM we got the 4, and plus 121 plus 4 equal to 125. So we can write the hypotenuse is the 125. Got it? So what is the value of tan? Tan A. So tan, we know that what is the value of tan A? Perpendicular by base. So 11 by 117 into, sorry, divided by 4. This is the perpendicular, this is the base. So 11 by 117 by 4, and we solve this. 11 into 4 by 117 and 44 by 117. So what is the answer? 44 by 117. Got it? So you can find the any trigonometrical function. If you the question is, in the question if you have to find the sin A, you can also find the sin A, because what is the value of sin? Sine A equal to, what is the value of sine? Some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular 11 and hypotenuse is 125 by 4. So we can write 44 by 125. So you can find any trigonometrical ratio, sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, and tan theta, cot theta, and cosec theta. You can find any type of the question. And next one, if you are having the sec theta plus tan theta equal to n, and you are having the what? N square minus 1, n square plus 1. Okay, so this is also we can write this belongs to this form. So what is the value of x, n, and perpendicular is the n square minus 1, and base is the 2n, and this is the n square plus 1. Okay, so n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 is the, we can write the sine theta. Why? Because perpendicular by hypotenuse, and we can write the n square minus 1 divided by n square plus 1 equal to sine theta. Next, cos x minus cot x equal to 2. Okay, so find the value of cosec x. It doesn't matter plus and minus. If you have the plus, just middle the cosec and cot, and plus between the sec and tan. In both condition we can use the tricks, same tricks. So cosec theta equal to, and what is the value of 2? So it is also depends on this method. So x angle represent this, and what is cosec theta minus cos theta? So this belongs to this tricks. Okay, so you can write the 4, and what is the value of the base? Base is the x square minus 1, so 3, and this is the 5, x square minus 1, 2 square plus 1. So cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by base, so we can write the 5 by 4. So these tricks help you in the NDA examination and other type of the competitive examination on the basis of the 12th basis. And if you are having if you have completed the 12th, and if you are pursuing the 12th, then you can solve this type of the question with the help of the these tricks. Okay, and I hope these tricks help you a lot, and you can solve the this type of the toughest question without this trick, and you spend the 3 to 4 minutes, and with the help of this trick which I gave you right now, and with the help of this trick you can solve this type of the question very quickly within the 4 seconds and 5 seconds, and within the 5 seconds. So I hope these tricks help you a lot in this type of the examination and that type of the examination. So uh, please rate, recommend, and please subscribe my channel, and rate and review, and please share this video around the people live around us, and these tricks your friend, your family members uh, use, and to solve the questions in the examination. Got it? Have a nice day. Good night. Bye bye. Take care.